Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Snapchat app first. And before you start to search for the delete option under the profile category, it's not there. You cannot delete your Snapchat account from the app directly, so you need to go to the supported page of Snapchat for accounts. That is, let's go to that website on our browser. Let's open your preferred browser, any of it, and let's go to accounts.snapchat.com. This is the official website for Snapchat for us. Now let's go with the username. Let's log in, and after that you can see all these options pop out. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the delete my account option over here. Tap there if you want to delete your account, and after that you can see all these options over here. Now if you really want to delete your account, hit the password again and tap on the continue, and you can see your account has been deactivated, which is your Snapchat account will be deactivated soon. If you have a verified an email address with Snapchat, we will send you confirmations. Once that happens, in 30 days your account will be deleted. If you like to reactivate your account before that happens, just log into your Snapchat. And there guys, we have temporarily deactivated our Snapchat account, and it was that easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.